Hi guys! Kumusta po? At isang mapagpalang araw po muli sa ating lahat, especially po sa mga bago dyan dito sa ating YouTube channel. And for this video po ay gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo itong Only XRP and libre po ito. Tapos every 5 minutes is pwede po kayo maka-withdraw ng XRP and directed po siya sa ating Binance account or pwede rin sa coins.ph, basta XRP address po ang inyong ilalagay. And ulitin ko guys, no, this is free and maliit lang siya, every 5 minutes yung mawi-withdraw, pero since libre nga ay depende sa inyo guys, no, kung gusto nyo subukan. And sa mga interesado dyan ay tapusin nyo ang video na to na sa ganun ay magkaroon po kayo ng idea. And as you can see dito sa ating screen, yan, every 5 minutes is pwede mag-withdraw. Tapos kailangan mo lang mag-spin, then araw-araw para may makuha kang dollars. And yun of course no, yung i-withdraw mo. And tinry ko siya guys, sinubukan ko and nakaka-withdraw nga ng libreng XRP. So ang gagawin nyo lang naman is you have to click yung link or register po sa kanilang website. So ilalagay ko na lang sa baba sa description section, and click nyo lang start, and nakalagay dyan register and get $20 immediately, and you can withdraw money immediately. You will get $10 for each friend you invite them. So nakalagay dyan click start, and then register po kayo using username, full name, email, cellphone number, password, and click register. After yan is ayan, pwede na kayo mag-sign in. So lagay username, lagay password, and click sign in. Pag sign in nyo guys, ayan, ito po yung magiging dashboard. Your account balance is $20 and nakapeso yan. May remaining spin, ayan, you will get 1 spin sa libreng account kasi parang 1 spin a day. Alright, so click nyo lang itong spin, and then ayan nyo siya mag-spin guys. Ayan, nakakuha tayo ng 0.29, and of course madadagdag yan sa ating balance. Ayan, successfully spinned, you have earned 0.29. After that is dito guys, no, sa left side, makikita nyo yan dito guys. Ayan, click nyo lang itong 3 bar or parang 3 na line upper left, and ito yung lalabas. So may nakalagay na dashboard, spin, deposit, withdraw, referrals, payment, profile, fact, and language. So of course no, if you want to try na mag-withdraw, click withdraw, and then ayan, ito po yung lalabas. Account balance and maximum withdrawal amount at current level is 0.00025 sa XRP. Sabi ko guys, no, maliit siya yung mawi-withdraw natin sa libreng account, pero every 5 minutes naman pwede kang mag-withdraw. Okay, so kung tsatsagayin nyo ay siguro makakaipon naman kahit papano. So to try, no, if makaka-withdraw talaga, so lagay wallet address, tapos destination tag ni XRP. So paano yan? Punta kayo sa Binance account nyo, click deposit kay XRP, and kunin nyo yung address tapos itong tag number. Okay, or you can use, sabi ko nga, coins.ph or any crypto exchange wallet na mayroong XRP. So copy address saka tag number, and lagay nyo rito guys, XRP address, tag number, lagay nyo yung password nyo, no? After that is, ayan, the submission is successful. We will make payment for you within 3 minutes. There are still 5 minutes before the next withdrawal time, and the upgrade account can automatically withdraw cash. So click continue to withdraw, and ayan, you can only withdraw once within 5 minutes. So every 5 minutes guys pwedeng mag-withdraw. So yung withdrawal natin, hinintay natin sa ating Binance account, and ayan, pumasok po siya. So meaning to say is, sabi ko nga, no, legit nga yung pa-withdraw nila. Though maliit lang, sabi ko nga, pero kung every 5 minutes at checkay mo naman, I think makakaipon naman po. Okay? And then dito sa taas guys, may nakalagay upgrade account, no? So syempre kung gusto mong mag-level up, no, yung withdrawal mo, nakalagay naman dito kung anong gagawin. Click start, login tayo ulit, pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan, so dito sa account nyo, dito sa withdraw, pag gusto nyong i-upgrade yung withdrawal kasi pwedeng tumaas yung withdrawal. So nakalagay naman dito. Ayan, the maximum withdrawal amount each is 0.00025 sa XRP. If you want to increase the withdrawal limit each time, please upgrade your account to a higher level. So, to upgrade your account, ayan, nakalagay naman dito guys, sa taas. Wait lang natin, may na kasi signal. Ayan, so nakalagay naman dito sa taas. Ayan, upgrade account. So, dito nyo makikita yung mga tawag dito amount ng pwede yung i-deposit para mag-withdraw, mag-upgrade ang inyong withdrawal dito sa upgrade account. Mabagal lang ang signal, wait natin ulit. Ayan, so nandito po siya. Ayan, level 1, $20. Daily spin range is 0.9 to 1.5. Number of spin per day is 1. Cash out interval is every 5 minutes. So ito yung level 1 nila. Level 2, $50, 3.6 naman to $6. Number of spin per day is 2. Cash out interval is every 5 minutes din. Pero sabi ko guys, ay tataas naman yung withdrawal amount ng pag-withdraw nyo. So pag click nyo buy, of course, kailangan nyo ng balance dyan. So kung you have to deposit, deposit cash. Ayan, sa pag-deposit, you can use USDT. We support TRC20 recharge. So, USDT TRC20. Amount $20. So, copy nyo yung address na to. Ayan. If you want to send, so from doon sa inyong Binance or any crypto exchange wallet, you can transfer worth $20 if you want, sa mga gusto lang naman. Pero anyway, you can tsaga naman doon sa palibre po nila. Alright, so para makapag-upgrade po kayo ng account dito sa kanila. Ayan. So, pero ayun nga, since mayroong free naman, so doon na lang tayo sa free kasi every 5 minutes naman pwede rin maka-withdraw. Ayun yung address natin. Ito yung amount, So, enter your password lang. Ayan, so nag-withdraw tayo ulit. Continue to withdraw. And ayan, you can only withdraw once within 5 minutes. So, nakapag-withdraw tayo ulit. Wait na lang ng another 5 minutes. So, wait mo na lang yan yung withdraw mo doon sa iyong Binance account if Binance po yung ginamit nyo. Alright? And, ayan. So, pumasok siya ulit. Kaya XRP, deposit XRP completed 46 minutes ago. So, ayan. Every 5 minutes yan guys. So, every 5 minutes you can tawag dito, you can withdraw. Ayan, may pumasok na siya uli. Sabi ko nga, maliit lang, matagal, pero every 5 minutes naman yan. So, tsagain nyo na lang sa pag-withdraw at sa mga interesado lang naman to. Alright, so ito lang gusto ko i-share. Maraming salamat and God bless po sa ating lahat.